Trying to fit as many designs as possible onto a single gang sheet? That's a smart idea, until your designs start overlapping.
One of the most common mistakes we see in DTF production is trying to maximize every single square inch of the film without leaving enough breathing room between your graphics. At first glance, it might seem like you're saving material and beating the system, but overlapping artwork or even placing elements too close together can create major production issues. It leads to unwanted results, ruined prints, and ultimately costs you way more time and money in the long run.
A well-built gang sheet is all about the perfect balance between density and practicality. You want to use your space wisely, but you must always leave enough physical room for each design to stand completely on its own. Think about the next step in the process: cutting. If your designs are practically touching, it becomes a nightmare to cut them apart with scissors or a utility knife without accidentally slicing into a neighboring graphic. A good rule of thumb is to leave at least half an inch of blank space between every single image.
Another highly recommended habit is to zoom in to 100% and scan your entire canvas before placing your final order. What looks perfectly fine and separated from a distance on a small preview screen may reveal small overlaps, stray pixels, or alignment issues when you take a closer look.
If you're working with multiple sizes, left chest logos, or different versions of the same brand design, keep your layout organized in clear grids or rows. Grouping similar items together doesn't just make production and sorting easier when the film arrives, it also drastically reduces human error during the heat pressing stage and keeps your entire fulfillment workflow running efficiently.
Remember, the ultimate goal isn't just to cram more designs onto the page until it overflows. The goal is to build a smarter, production-ready gang sheet. A few extra seconds spent checking your margins and spacing today can save you hours of frustration, wasted materials, and unnecessary reprints tomorrow. Because great apparel printing starts long before the heat press touches the fabric. It starts with thoughtful, precise preparation.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.